Install a reinforcement lock high above the deadbolt to significantly reduce kick-in vulnerability. Start by choosing a reinforcement lock rated for solid core or metal doors and check that it fits the door thickness and style width. Remove the existing strike plate and hold the reinforcement plate against the jamb where you plan to mount it, typically above the deadbolt by about 6 to 8 inches for better force distribution. Mark the screw holes, then predrill shallow pilot holes in the jamb to prevent splitting, using a drill bit slightly smaller than the screws. For maximum strength, use 3-inch long wood screws that pass through the jamb and bite into the framing behind it. Shorter screws only hold in the jamb face and fail under heavy force. If the plate will not sit flush, use a sharp chisel to mortise the jamb so the plate sits level with the surface and the bolt can engage without binding. Test the latch engagement and tighten progressively, checking the door closes smoothly and the reinforcement plate does not warp the jamb or cause rubbing against the door edge. Common mistakes include using short screws, which pull out under load, so always upgrade to 3-inch screws reaching the structural frame. Another issue is poor alignment, where the bolt does not fully enter the reinforced box. Correct this by loosening the screws, adjusting the plate position, and retesting until smooth engagement is achieved. A third problem is mortising too deep or too shallow. Chisel small amounts and test fit frequently so the plate is flush without weakening the jamb. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and resources focused on home security improvements. On our site, we help contractors find work and homeowners compare options, and we host a discussion community where people share real-world tips and experiences.